Because you did the flick, it worked.
And make sure.
Oh!
Make sure you
Sup guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to pretty much unwrap the bonnet and I'm going to put the Z01 bonnet on today. So what I'm going to do is we're sort of jump to it, get the hands dirty and get this wrap off. It will be up for sale very shortly as well once it's off, and I'm not sure where I'm going to land it, maybe 800 bucks, but what we'll do is we'll just jump into it, get a few videos along the way, and let's cut to it. I thought I had more footage, but turns out the GoPro wasn't actually recording the whole time, so this is the only run I have of actually pulling the wrap off. There goes my... Did that better. Some weight. Plain.
Yeah.
Just got that de-wrapped now, so what we'll do is we will just start getting ready to slap this on. Yeah, as I was saying the other week, honestly, cracker job by the boys. Graham Hill smash, mate, absolutely over the park. So this is gonna look sick. So it's something I've been wanting to do for ages. So pretty keen to get this on, eh? So as we're taking this off, I was trying to get the hose off, and boy was I struggling. So Damo sort of had to jump in and show me how to get it off, because it's been a while since I've got those off, and when I do I normally actually pull the clip out. So thanks to Damo for smashing that one out. The bonnet's now off. Honestly, love the Series 2 bonnet, but you know, you can't beat the Z01 bonnet. Well, fucking. We have to do a little adjustment on the guards, because when I've done the VF swap, the two little nuts didn't line up to the top of the guard, so I'll just pull these off to set a new hole so that way they can stick. I'll show you a little sample in 2 seconds when I get them off, so I'll get back to you in a sec. So pretty much when I put the bonnet hinges on, when I've done the swap, I've done them a little too far, in this case, too far forward. So I needed to bring it back. So what I've done now is I've just done a texter to re-pilot hole into the top of the bracket. And that way when I do a little drill, I'm just gonna put a new bolt back into it, and then that should fix it in place, and then the bonnet should stop catching on the corner, as you can see here. So. And I've done the same for the other side, so pretty much what I'll do is I'm just going to get a drill and just do those, and then I should be able to just quickly slap the bonnet on and do a sort of a test fit, then do like the final clips for the jets and stuff like that. So I'll jump to it. Time to get drilled, eh, boys? Jeez, you'd think I didn't know how to do it. Let's give that a test fit.
Looks like a fit. You have to drop the bolt.
And I'll drop your bolt. Oh, I think that's happy. So we'll just jump on the other side and get that one done. Damon, why aren't you doing this one, bro?
I don't know what I'm doing.
You're more of a professional than I am.
I just fuck shit up, mate.
Do you? Is that what they all say?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah. That's how you drill it, mate.
Do you want the other bolt?
I just lost me nut, mate. Should just be right.
You have the ratchet.
No, I didn't get the 10mm out.
10mm, eh?
Or did I? Jeez, I mean, that's overcompensating, to be fair.
Sorry to let you down, mate, but your torch is on in your phone.
Jeez, I'm the light of the show, am I?
Nope.
Oh, let's fucking sash these in.
You're going to push it down or?
Oh, mate, yeah, you tighten that up, eh?
I will. It's probably a bit close to that mirror.
Yeah, when you're close, mate, just let me know and I'll give you.
I'm scratching your mirror. Do you want to use a spanner instead?
Yeah. Just get ready to.
You don't have much play in there, but you should have a small.
Push that down.
Yeah. Not much, but yeah. Guessing you had a few drills.
Few.
When I mean a few, I mean like 2 in the bucket.
So I've just slapped that in, slapped the moulds back on, but now there's no movement in that, so let's get this bonnet on and go from there, eh? Well, that was a pain in the ass. All that jet fucking lead was inside the bonnet, so I had to spend an extra 10 minutes trying to get it out because they were like really deep in there, stuck. But got that done, so I'm just gonna get the bonnet jets off the other one now, which the boys are flipping. So let's get a flat head for that, and then they should come off. Fucking gamer, mate. Let's go, mate.
Fuck, there's a lot of pressure. I haven't done this in a while.
Don't break it.
Look at that.
Okay, I'll get that off.
Yeah, you get it off.
Mate, got some magic hands, eh?
Oof. Fuck. I've done this before.
Yeah, about 3,000 or 4,000 or 5,000 times between one bonnet to the next. Yeah. So after getting the jets onto the hoses, we were just putting these in, so we had to file them down just a little bit to allow some fitment, which caused its own drama, but that's alright. Alright, so we had a little bit of a issue getting the second one in, but Damo's just glued it, so we've just chucked some tape on it to try and rectify it, and if it sits nicely, then happy days.
Press.
The record button.
Record button, dickhead.
Do the fucking button. Fuck, you should have let me know, eh?
Ready?
This one, by the way. That's right.
No, put it on backwards, lads.
Yeah, bro.
And upside down.
If it's not too late, we'll go to Kelly Burger.
Why don't we just go to Spaniards?
Cool, Craig can go.
Hey. Why are we going to Caliburger? That was shit last time. Let's go to Spaniards. But I thought you were busy tonight.
Sporties by like 8 o'clock. I'll go.
Oh, what's happening at the Sporties, mate?
Sporties. There's people in the house.
There's chicks in the house, mate.
You got chicks?
They came out before and fucking screaming.
Tell me, Jimmy, what are we doing here?
Mate, we're in the wild. We're just screwing some bolts in, mate.
We're in the wild with the SSD.
Do you know what
Can
that
I have
means?
a handshake?
Yeah. Hey, come on, mate. You don't want that hand, do you?
I can't hold it.
Yeah. what Tom said.
Can I lift the bonnet up on you?
Is it dying?
Yeah.
No, it's still good.
No, the screen just throws off.
Let me do it.
Yeah, chop that. Jeez, Damo. Bit of a struggle streak going on, eh? Fucking hell.
Get in there, Damo.
You had the hands, Damo.
Come on, man.
Come on, use your fingers, mate.
Use the magic fingers.
Not here. Clearly.
Okay, I'm...
Half expected Zach to be here, to be honest.
What the fuck's that not going on?
Just ask it nicely, mate. It's 2025.
Give it a fucking pop.
Oh, this dick. Rotated.
I'm on.
Sorry, bud.
Damo's in.
Is he? Ah!
Is that blood coming out of your head?
This doesn't even fucking hold.
Oh, that's the red
Yeah, I'll
cap
come
he
down,
kept.
but just watch that one. Ready?
I'm still loose, so.
Yeah, I've heard that
Oh,
about
yeah?
you.
Okay, hold there. Okay, go up. Where's that?
Hot too. You need to hold it, mate.
Yeah, mate. Fucking
No,
hell.
you need a different bottle later.
Damo, poke it out and turn around with your tongue out, mate.
Hey?
Give me a Dylan.
Hold that. Yeah, try that. You good, Craig?
Yeah.
Okay. How are you, Craig? You want to go?
Bro, that actually looks good black. It really does.
Does.
How much are you here, Craig? I'm actually a good fitment here, along the side.
Honest with you, it's a little bit less than before.
Okay, do you want to go that way?
I can go that way.
Let's see what we do. Okay.
What do you mean?
Look at me gap. Same amount
Jesus,
of gas.
that
the
is a
exact same.
gap.
If you can push the bottom up, push it up.
Let's see if I can pump it down.
Well, look.
Oh, you got a good.
Just tapped out there. Ah,
You're tapping out.
I'm tapped out there. Have a look at that. Are you good?
Good. Good.
Yeah, still about 3 mils, 4
No, I'll
mils.
be close anyway.
I'll do my top bolt and then I'll pull it this way. So go back up.
Yeah.
Tighten your ones up.
Tighten them up.
Yeah. Oh, mate, didn't even know his fucking spanner was there.
You fucking joke.
Fucking whatever, Craig.
No, that's fine. He doesn't even know what way to go.
Did you go down this side more?
No, that was actually really good. Just hold that.
You're in. Bye.
Brayden.
Brayden.
You said goodbye, Brayden.
Yeah, Brayden.
Fucking hell, Brayden.
Don't become an alcoholic.
Alcoholic, they probably had one.
Happy with that?
I don't know. It looks
Are ya?
blue. Everything else is pink.
Oh,
What's
mate,
going
your
on?
head's in the way. Big
No.
head much? Done.
Sorry, James, can you give me that again? Oh, that was good. Because you did the flick, it worked.
But make sure.
Oh!
Make sure you
So that sort of sums it up. We pretty much now put the bonnet on. And I'm probably going to let it sit for another week or two. Then I'll chuck the pink on and get it all sorted. But just wanted to make sure I've got it fitted nicely. Fixed up my little gaps here. I'll always have a sort of issue here because obviously there's no bolted bracket from the VE to VF. You have to fabricate one and I just haven't had the chance or the resources to get one. So besides that, it's all come together really well. Besides the small little like centimetre at the back here, I'm pretty happy with that. There's no real movement in it, but that sort of sums it up, and I'll see you in about 2 weeks to finish this specific one off. So, thanks guys.
Where'd he go? What are you doing?